In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create columns in Canva, updated for 2023. Whether you're designing a flyer, a brochure, or any other type of document that requires a tidy, well-organized layout, columns are an essential tool. So let's dive in and explore how you can quickly and efficiently create columns using Canva. First, head over to Canva's homepage and log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's free and only takes a moment. Once you're in, you'll see the Canva dashboard with a variety of templates and options. On the left side of this dashboard, locate the button labeled Plus Create. Click this to start your new project. Next up, you'll see the left menu panel. Here, you'll want to click on Print Products. This section offers a range of templates suitable for printing, providing an ideal starting place for creating structured layouts like ones with columns. For today's example, let's choose A4 Portrait as our layout. It provides a neat and professional appearance, perfect for a variety of documents. Now that you have your canvas set up, move over to the left side menu once again and click on Elements. In the search bar that pops up, type Table and press Enter. This search will bring up various table options. Go ahead and select one that looks best for your design. Once the table is on your canvas, you can start customizing it to form columns. Click on any cells that you don't need and delete them, ensuring you're left with just 2 cells if you're aiming for a 2-column layout. To continue refining your design, right-click and delete any extra rows from your table. You want to ensure that you're only working with the cells necessary for your layout. Once you've managed your cells, click on the last cell, and from here, you'll be able to delete any unwanted columns. This step is crucial for creating the precise number of columns you need. With your basic table in place, it's time to adjust the column sizes. Click on the table and you'll see options to adjust the width and height. This allows you to create a visually pleasing and balanced layout. It's always a good practice to prepare your text beforehand in a program like Microsoft Word. Set your page to 2 columns, then copy the text from each column. Return to Canva and paste the text into your first and second cells respectively. Lastly, for a polished presentation, remove the visible borders from your table. Click into the table and hover over the floating toolbar to find the border settings. Click on the border option, then choose Border Style and select None to remove them. This provides a seamless, professional look, allowing your design to shine. And there you have it. Your beautifully crafted columns are ready to enhance your design's aesthetic and functionality. Don't forget to save your project often while you work and share your designs directly from Canva with colleagues, clients, or on social media. We hope you found this guide helpful. Subscribe for more design tips and tricks.